Hi, welcome to West Coast Kia. Today we're having a look at a 2017 Kia Forte LX Plus trim level. That big green sign in the upper right hand corner of the windshield says the car is qualified under the Kia Canada Certified Pre-Owned program. Check out the features and benefits of that program when you come to test drive the car. There'll be a 3-month trial period with Sirius XM on the radio to whoever purchases the car. Looking inside, we have power windows, locks and mirrors, traction control. This Forte only has 26,800 kilometers on it. Forte also has a backup camera, a climate control, auxiliary and USB input ports for the radio, and heated cloth seats in the front, as well as a drive mode select. The steering wheel has cruise control and also some audio controls, a few other functions like Bluetooth and some of the other stuff for the car. Your trunk and gas doors are here, and that driver's seat is height adjustable. In the rear, plenty of room for passengers, nice big back seat. And in the rear of the car, a sizable trunk. Good for carrying groceries, hockey bags, any other sports equipment or outdoor equipment, anything else you need to carry. This Kia Forte 4 is available from West Coast Kia. We're open 9 to 9 Monday through Thursday, 9 to 6 Friday, Saturday, 11 to 5 Sundays and most holidays. Come on down. The best way to make an informed decision about the car you're considering is to actually drive the car. Bring the family, see how well a car fits into your lifestyle, see how well a family fits into the car. Again, that's West Coast Kia. We're located in Maple Ridge, just over the bridge, about 20 minutes from anywhere in the Lower Mainland.